the time. I never lie.
Yeah, but that's the point. You can't tell.
No, bro. Trust me.
I have terminated
We
your
definitely just got
biosleep
played.
to alert you that a devastating virus
We
has
probably
been
should have done one
infiltrated
more
your
exercise,
processing
but I
block.
was like pretty certain.
I'm now initiating
I had like a small
critical
suspicion of
safety
Porter, but I wasn't suspicious.
I had
enough.
zero
He was
suspicion.
suspicious.
I should have thought suspicion because of the
I have
prompts, but he was
determined
actually
two of
pretty
you are
close.
secretly aliens. Please look at your device and confirm your
Guys, I'm the
identity.
Alien.
Your
Huggies.
device can tell you if you're human or an alien, but not the identities of your fellow
I'm a wolfman again.
players.
I'm also a
Unfortunately,
wolfman.
aliens will know who their
Let's
I'm
go.
vigilante.
So you'll be at a bit of a
Medic.
I'm
disadvantage,
Vigi.
humans.
Dude, look, it's Porter because he's too familiar with it, and Purdy because it's a new role, so he took a long time to answer. Boom. Porter and Purdy.
Oh,
No, I'm
right,
a
we have to
wolfman
press
this time,
confirm.
that's why it
Yes,
took me long.
I am indeed a wolfman.
Yes, I am.
No, my thing didn't load. I had to like
You'll
refresh my
have
page.
15
Can we skip
minutes
this
before
dumb
I cease
tutorial
to
this
be.
time?
Alien.
So
I'm not the main
you
person.
figure out who the aliens
I am.
are,
There's
and
not-
then
Just
push
skip it.
that
We already did
button.
it. Yeah.
Bro, I'm
You
both.
will be our first captain. Choose an available room and your desired participants.
Bro,
Well, you can pick either. They're both okay.
It's Porter and
It's just
Purdy.
any two.
Just put them in.
At this point in
see
time, it doesn't matter.
what- Wait.
You just have to like try and test everyone in the
Yeah,
first
Let's
that's
visit
test.
to the deliberation deck.
Alright, so the thing I wasn't at the
Answer
workshop
the
with.
question on your device.
I always hurry when it's the option ones. The drawing ones can actually take time. Option.
See, Porter's struggling because it's giving him the alien. prompt.
So we
He's
should
like,
hurry
"Oh,
the
who
first
else
one?"
is
I
this?"
always
Here's
hurry
the
when it's
correct
not drawing.
prompt.
Or all the symbols. The biohacker, you never hurry.
Your
Excuse
best
me.
friend's significant other flirts with you. What
'Cause
you
that one's
should
actually
do
hard.
is- So, let's see how they responded.
See?
Alien!
See? Dude, Porter will steal your girl.
Yeah, maybe I should have
Remember,
done
there's no
good thumbs up
hacking
now I
yet.
think about it.
It's only
I was
hacking.
thinking
and,
about the
like-
meme and I was like, oh yeah.
Dude, look.
Bro, they're both aliens.
Porter would steal your girl. If an
wait,
Both
Colin, did
aliens.
he, like confess to you or like confess to
if
them
an
what they
alien
did?
ever existed,
Like
it's Porter.
confess to the best friend.
Oh,
Fess up. The third option was turn them in.
We're on
Yeah.
the clock here, people.
Oh,
so
okay.
Why
let's
would you
keep
turn them in?
going.
First of all, that both the options are too extreme. So you just give them a thumbs up. This is
I'm
not
giving
fair.
it
Okay, AJ is
Sus.
definitely the more suspicious. But I'm
A
still.
little bit sus.
I didn't.
But it's first question. It's first
It's first question,
New
yeah.
captain selected.
Well, I'm just getting the
Calling it
suspicions.
is Porter and
Okay,
Purdy.
let's get a move on. Pick another room and test group. There's less than 14 minutes.
Listen, 14 minutes.
Try me. Go on.
No.
We'll go back to you later. We just need a
Right,
general,
just
broad
finish it.
understanding of where where everyone is.
Write an answer to the prompt on your device.
And if this broad understanding is ruined by hacks, then that's fine. 'cause
Bro,
most of the
this is
hacks are
hard.
the Easy ones. Is that because you're an alien?
No, the question's personal, probably.
Here's the prompt humans should have received. The last movie I cried at was.
If one of you says like Sharknado,
I literally have not
It's-
been
it's
to the
lucky.
movies in
It's
4
lucky.
years. That's the last movie.
Both of these movies
Yeah, this is
are not
vicious.
answers. You're both aliens. Boys,
Why?
we did it. We found them.
Bro, that's literally the last
Bro, mine
movie I've-
actually has a
and
sad
it's,
part.
it's kind of sad
Okay,
when they
Aliens
destroy the arcade stuff.
True, that is actually
I
kind
said
of
it's
sad.
just true, yeah. Okay, surely
I
we're
know
not
aliens
aliens.
here, but maybe it is.
the endgame I understand. So you might go like I think it's
I'll give a slight.
The
sus
questions
on
get
both.
more like specific
Lucky
over
or
time, like with more
Next
divided.
captain.
definitely lucky.
No, we did it at the start, so maybe it's just like they got generic.
Opinion horn. I want to know you. Mouse goes in there. And
RNG
we
song.
know Porter's an alien, so Porter goes in there.
Bro,
Bro, I was alien last time. By probability, I'm not this time.
well, that's technically that's how it works. You should
Answer
assume
the
you're
question
not.
on your device.
2 out of 5.
I shall read the question.
Shami could be the dark horse here, and she'd be like,
Oh, Porter was
Yeah,
delaying
the
a
only
little bit.
questions are like actual opinions, where it's like,
Kanye West
Oh.
is the best musician of the last 100 years.
I feel like that was a quick one. Oh,
okay,
Success.
yeah, but they could RNG.
yeah.
They could
But-
definitely
some ones
RNG
are really
this
hard
one.
to tell.
Just do hurry, just do hurry.
Yeah, hurry.
Yeah, it was done.
Anyway, doesn't hurry's an alien.
You
And
can't
the
hurry.
title of captain has been.
Yeah, we are in a hurry. There's in fact 11 minutes left.
Barnier kiss.
Try me.
Okay, I'm really stuck for this.
It's definitely either. I still think it's Porter and Locke.
Who's been
And that's
suspicious
the
so far?
deliberation
Me
on the
and
way.
You. And Porter.
I feel like this is one of the
Keep an eye out
hardest
for
ones, the
questionable
deliberation deck.
positions.
Because you don't get anything. And if you get caught picking some dumbass answer, you're fucked instantly.
But the aliens can always RNG it.
Like one was like, you can buy pogo stick and it saves your
And the
son's
human
life. How much do you
prompt
pay?
was-
Or some shit like that. And you get put $0 and you
You
just
and a
fucking
stranger
lose.
are stuck in the desert
Oh,
with
no.
enough water for one. What you should do
And
is
it's a bit of a problem.
Okay.
and go.
Oh, bro, we're fucked. Nobody's
That's
suspicious
all.
yet, except for AJ.
Yeah, AJ's here.
AJ was like suspicious once.
Chuck me in.
Everything else has been like super split.
Chuck me in. See
New
what happens.
captain.
Yeah,
Selected.
chuck
No,
AJ
you
in.
only get one button push per person.
Don't buy a scanner, we didn't have enough knowledge.
yeah, we're not ready for bias.
You can do drawing.
Yeah, that one's fun. I don't get to
Really
draw
useful, but it's fun.
Always click. Actually, no, don't click hurry. Even though I can tell
Pick
you.
me and you lose. That's all I'm saying.
Well, someone else insta clicked hurry. Okay, and the alien is
Aditya
not
and
drawing.
Purdy have only been tested once each, so I'm gonna test both.
Let's
So
all
we'll be
agree
able
to
to
meet
test,
back here.
maximizing the amount of
You
info.
have entered the drawing
Oh,
coordinates.
bro, even times.
Draw the prompt on your
Oh,
device.
this is easy.
Was it Mashami's had 2 tests and come up all good? So has Porter. But then AJ's had 1 suspicious and Purdy's had 1 good.
Yep.
This is an easy game. If you know who it is.
By the way, you can see people's previous answers on your phone.
Human.
Yeah, if you click
See,
on
I'm
the
not,
name.
I'm not the best drawer.
Check their
Draw
history.
Michael Myers.
Who the fuck's this?
AJ's an actor.
Okay, what can we hope
Dude, I
for?
What
got-
the fuck? You're both
He's an
actors. Who the
actor.
fuck's Michael Myers?
I drew
Yeah,
Shrek!
Isn't Michael Myers like the knife man? And whenever
Who
he
is
points
Shrek?
at God,
Oh, is he? Bro.
He's not Shrek.
He's from Halloween.
Who's
yeah,
Shrek
he's
then?
the knife man. He's the knife
Yeah,
man.
he's the
Knife
knife
Man.
man.
Oh, I didn't know
got
that.
confused with Scream.
I thought he was the Shrek dude.
Shrek being a bit sus.
Who's the Shrek voice? Is that not Michael Myers?
Is Mike Myers
What's
okay?
what the fucking... Bro, is it actually Michael Myers?
Who voices Shrek? It is Mike Myers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro!
I'll give you a not sus on that.
Bro, that's
and
not
then-
even suspicious. I just didn't know who the fuck it was.
If it, I had to Google that. If it was a different name entirely, I would have insta
I guess
I
Mike
very
Myers.
clearly drew Michael Myers.
Lucky you.
I thought it was a nibble from Scream.
Bro, that's a bad question. What is this?
I thought you said you got hacked.
Back for what?
Okay, AJ's still suspicious.
Yep.
Chuck me in.
30, I'm neutral.
Let's go.
Bro, I think I actually proved myself by getting the name wrong.
I'll give it neutral.
I hope
Not
you
negative,
like
not
this.
positive.
I like existing.
Why are you testing me and Purds again?
Ah, another tip to be opinionated.
Bro, okay, alien.
Porter just gets up perfectly
So
fine.
we didn't get any information
Press
from the last
for
one.
any out of character responses.
Porter would get
Yeah, that
up
was a bit
perfectly
of a
fine
quick
because of all this. Just gets to sit in the
So
background.
I still think AJ is suspicious. And Purdy might be. We can't tell from that one.
It's not
Ah,
me.
should we make a
Definitely.
proposal?
This is such a shit question. Of course, these people are gonna say
And
something.
Of course I would.
Well, I'm comparing
No,
myself to
They're
previous.
both aliens. They both would have said strongly
That's
agree.
actually suspicious.
Ladies and
No,
gentlemen,
I'm
we
not
got
gonna
it.
click
They would've said
strongly agree. That's like the least modest thing I can possibly say.
AJ definitely would have said strongly.
Yeah, yeah, maybe AJ would have
AJ
said.
is suspicious.
No, AJ definitely
I
would have
would
said strongly
say
agree.
strongly agree.
I don't. Yeah,
I'm not
I don't like the look of that.
I'm giving it this gave no information as well.
Alright, that's fair too.
Yeah, whoever picked me and AJ again.
Mashami.
Nah.
We've been tested the most. Oh,
I think that confirms Mashami is a Pepega human.
it could just be a Pepeg, not
Sorry.
even an alien.
In fact, I
Maybe
go
go bioscanner.
but we still don't know who.
I say with 90% confidence now that Mashami is just a Pepega human after that.
Maybe do bioscanner, I don't know.
I'm yolling by a scanner. I have people I think are okay, and I'll go with them.
Well, he's an alien.
Yes, he's gonna
What am I
chuck
be
me in.
alien
Well,
again?
actually, there's also competency here.
This one's
Yeah,
actually
that's
hard,
true.
but
I'm gonna believe.
This is the bioscanner. I hope you've chosen a team you can trust. Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
this is really hard actually. I got
The
no
first
clue.
glyph has 2 dots, first of all, and then it has 2 lines which branch towards the bottom.
Wait a minute, nobody's hurrying.
Where are the dots?
The dots are on the left and right, slightly above center. And then the 2 vertical lines are in the middle and branch at the bottom, both sides.
I
That's
think
the
you
one I
picked the
gave
2
you before, but
aliens.
you got it wrong.
Probably, I don't know, I already fucking forgot.
Alright, yeah, I think I got the first one then.
I definitely think it's Loki.
The second one has a single dot in the top right. It then has a Y, and then a diagonal Y and a
but
line,
why does it have-
separated line on the bottom right.
What?
Separated line.
You're not doing it, AJ. Calm down.
Has 2 segments, a Y
It is
and a
definitely
tiny
alien.
line on the bottom right, and a
Trying to
single dot.
disrupt.
Got it?
Dude, it's
Running
definitely
out of
Loki.
time.
Okay, I'm pretty
I'm
sure
going
it's
on.
definitely AJ.
Okay.
The last one.
Pretty sure it's
AJ's
definitely
gone.
The last one is a snake shape with a tiny branch on the left, and there are 2 dots on the top right and the bottom right.
Oh, that's easy. Yeah.
Okay, one
Roll
of these
this,
people is
Mashama?
the alien because AJ.
So, just to repeat, 2 verticals with a branch at the bottom with 2 dots left and right. Then there's a Y with a line and a dot. And then there is a snake with a tiny branch and 2 dots. All good?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go.
He's the Pepego.
Alright, my
there's 2
instructions were
kinda-
so clear that if you guys got this wrong, I'm suing you.
Oh, they got it
There's
right.
there's two really
Test
similar ones
AJ.
to the second one.
As you can test
Captain,
whoever.
choose
It
any
doesn't
other
much
player
else.
and you will
Mm,
learn
I mean, I
new
feel like it's a
rules.
waste
You
to test
would
AJ.
have-
You may share
Yeah,
this
actually, no, that's a good
information
point. Yeah,
with
AJ's
those you
definitely.
want, or keep it a secret.
He's the only one who's been
Confirm
like.
when you're
Give me a
ready to
secret, babe.
proceed.
Dumbass dog.
I feel like that's a waste.
If you picked a double
I'd
alien,
rather be safe than sorry.
because then you don't have
makes
to
it a lot
test AJ
easier.
and you get 2 more tests.
Transmitting.
What is it?
The
Ooh.
bioscanners
It
will
says
be
he is an
available. I
alien.
made it out of some old
Okay, so
Look, if
AJ's
I'm
the
an
alien or
alien-
Porter's the
If I'm an alien, I could be lying, but it says
Oh,
he's
and
an
we have to
alien.
trust
What
him
alien
as
you
well.
say
It
it's
doesn't
just
tell us.
one alien
Skip, skip,
spot.
skip.
Yeah, hurry,
Skip.
hurry, hurry.
Dumbass dog.
But I'm just saying,
We're
AJ
on
is
the
definitely
clock
an
here, people,
alien.
so let's
Oh,
keep
that's
going.
easy.
I'd rather have
Oh.
absolute certainty
Controversial opinion. but
random
check
questions about AJ getting hacked
Ooh.
3 times in a row by Mashami or some shit like that.
Order. That's unpopular
The
opinion, guys.
bioscanner
Yeah,
is
but that's how you're
now
supposed to
active.
hack
The
people.
rest of the investigation
Exactly,
is up
that's
to
the
you.
point. I want that.
Next,
Captain.
No,
Captain.
surely people don't know that yet.
Ooh, guys, who could
Oh
be-
shit!
And also, Purdy was the
Hurry, hurry
only
every time
person-
AJ does
was the
something.
person not in the test, so thus,
Who
I'm
else
gonna
did-
give a sus on Purds just because he wasn't in the
This-
test.
this
and it went
dumbass.
Yeah, but I wasn't trying to like suspicious people.
Then this
What's
dumbass
hard?
dog.
Okay, AJ's actually trying to waste time.
Another
Why would I
chance
waste
to opinion
Because
hole.
you're the alien.
Because you're alien.
That's why you have to click hurry.
Keep your eyes peeled for any
Click hurry,
out-of-character
see what happens.
responses.
Okay, we can find out if Porter's this. Prepare. Alien
I
time.
think it's Porter. It's
I
either
think it's
Porter or
Purdy.
Mashami
Humans were
Purdy.
given this prompt.
Actually, Loki's being sus.
I can juggle up to
It could be
6
Loki
rounds
being
of
sus.
You
power.
can't get hacked like 3
Like an
times.
alien can just get it right.
Lucky?
These answers
Uh,
seem suspicious.
Oh, yeah,
Uh,
I can
Loki.
juggle up to 5. Yeah, that's pretty close to 6.
Oh,
I'm
Lucky's
gonna
alien.
sus.
It's Lucky and AJ.
I'm gonna
Except,
slide
except
me a
AJ
comment.
accused Lucky, which is suspicious.
I'm gonna say I got
Moderate
hacked because
sus.
the prompt I got was not this.
You don't get a prompt
Oh,
if
I'm
you hack.
suspicious.
I don't think
you
spaceships
can
are
prompt if
supposed to
you hack.
crumble like that.
Okay,
No,
let's
that
do
one
another
you don't
test.
get
Definitely
one,
no
right?
prompts.
Oh,
Oh no,
shit.
you do
No,
get
I
a prompt.
definitely
Right. The
got
other
it.
one's the one you don't get.
I
a prompt.
definitely
Right,
got a
right,
prompt there, bro.
right. Yeah, okay.
I got, do you dislike 2 people in this room?
Alright.
I don't like myself, so I disagree.
I hit start test. Ah!
Right, fast,
She's
please.
just been
I can't
real
keep this
quiet
up.
this entire time.
Bro, how's this
just
taking
looking
so
around.
Yeah, when you press the button, the time stops, by the way.
Whoa.
So your like last minute can be like 10 minutes or more.
I would probably use the word mouth-watering to describe.
Oh no.
Well,
I sure hope these responses are worth it.
they're not
Okay.
suspicious.
Alright,
Okay.
Bruh.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean,
Hit hurry, hit
very-
hurry.
okay.
Alright, who's gonna press the button? We don't have enough time for another one.
Come on.
I'm gonna go with
Good.
it's either AJ. Oh, actually, it could be AJ and anyone. It could be Lucky
Oh,
Brain. I know he's capable of being
Yeah.
it. It could be Mashami, who's just wrote Zadig.
There's less than
And it could be Purds because.
Okay, I'm gonna just do this because we're running out of time.
As a D is pretty
Welcome to the
mouthwatering.
extraction room.
Don't vote on what I
If you need
say.
a woman to push the
I'm gonna vote
button,
myself, so don't vote on
whom
me.
will you isolate?
I
I
can't
don't
vote
think you can
myself.
This is our first time here. You
Let me
have
guess,
2
ask that
minutes.
one.
What was it, AJ?
Oh, we can
and-
use our time here. No need to hurry. We can discuss.
Nice.
Don't rush.
Why is it not Mushami? Why have you just left her alone?
So, what do people think it is?
Oh, it's AJ.
I think it's Mushami and Porter.
Not again.
Yeah,
Okay,
fuck
AJ just tried to say the other 2 people.
Everyone else.
Okay, I'm
who do
no,
you
no,
think
it's
it
these
is?
2, definitely.
Who pushed the button?
Waste our time. We have 2 minutes to do it.
No, it's definitely those 2.
Time to
30
vote.
pressed it.
What makes you
As
think?
well.
Because
it is
AJ just said
Loki?
it's
Why is
Mizami
it just
Porter.
us two?
No,
And there's the
explain
other
Loki.
2.
You'll have to
I
go
don't care
back
about
to the
AJ. Explain Loki.
Well, he fucking said an apple. You could have said like lollies or a D.
I just said the
True.
first food that comes
I'm
to
down
mind.
with
That's one of
join
the weakest
again.
reasonings I've heard.
Well, then let me look at what he said.
Like,
Go again.
The vote has failed.
oh my god.
All you can
He
do
said
is
you
literally
could juggle
said-
chainsaws, only
Yeah,
slightly
mouthwatering.
disagree.
She has some self-respect.
You're in charge.
Lucky said slightly disagree for the chainsaws, which is suspicious.
There's less than 1 minute.
I told you, I got a different prompt on that one. I got D like 2 people in this room. I don't like myself.
Who's
How do you
Zara
figure that out?
Flanagan would like to connect with you on Messenger?
Whom
I
will
can't
you
think of who would
isolate?
have hacked me though.
You only get 1 minute, so act quickly.
Mushami, because she's being quiet this
He's
entire
doing it
time.
Porter. Oh, this is suspicious.
okay.
What,
Who's
I don't
voting
think
for
I've
this?
done anything suspicious about it.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
I've done
You've
literally
been
nothing
very low
suspicious
this
about it.
entire time.
Like I had nothing
And-
wrong, which means I'm not even
No.
hacked.
Alright.
You weren't, as in we got the buy through and you weren't choosing it, so like
What?
elimination. As in I have more trustworthiness in the people who accepted, like who did the buy thing correctly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but they could also be aliens.
What's the alternate to trying this one? Swapping Purdy for Mushami.
Yeah, which I would also.
Oh, it's
be
definitely
fairly
fucking
confident
got
I prefer this one
Lucky
to
over
Mushami.
James.
I'd go with Mashi as my second option.
Yeah, I'd agree. We can just reject and do it
I
again.
prefer this one.
Which is like the, you know.
Wait, so you want to reject this one and put Mushami?
We took too long, right?
The vote has failed.
Yeah.
That's fine. We want
I think it's Mishami and AJ.
Don't forget
Mishami,
the button
defend
push,
yourself.
humans. Next captain. Go.
I don't have a button, I
It's
can't
a
press
D.
it.
I don't know what else you want.
There's less than 1
You know
minute.
that's definitely
Okay, whoever can press the button.
Hmm?
Oh,
Say
it's
for
someone
Lucky,
press the
you gotta
button.
press the
You
button.
have to hold it.
Okay.
You have to hold it.
I have to hold it.
Yeah, it's
That's
one of
what's
you
wrong with
two. Because the other 2 people can't choose themselves, and they won't choose themselves.
You know, it costs a lot of money to
Oh,
keep turning
oh
on the
okay, well
lights in
AJ
here.
pressed the button.
Whom will
It's
you
fucking
isolate?
AJ.
You only have
He doesn't take time, okay, whoever can press the button next, can press it next.
It's
it.
these two.
We disagree with this one no matter what.
Fucking hurry.
This is a waste of
What do you
time.
mean you disagree with this one no matter what?
Okay, time to vote.
Mushami
Yeah,
just sitting there
definitely-
laughing.
AJ is
She's got
definitely an
no idea
alien.
No megalol.
There's no way he's not an alien.
what- Dumbass dogs. Actual dumbass dogs.
Oh, fucking
Don't forget the
dumbass.
button
so
pushes,
gorilla.
humans. Okay,
Someone push
you're
that
up.
button.
I didn't have the
Go.
button, I pressed it first, yeah.
Yeah,
We're playing push the button.
Hey,
Okay,
this
press
room
the
is
final
clear.
seconds.
Oh my god.
Whom will you isolate?
Oh, I wonder
You
who's
only
gonna
have
be
30
like
seconds.
fastest unpopular opinion. Who would the
AJ Perds. we're
Yeah?
correct.
Oh, Mishami pressed it, bruh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's
no.
AJ
we already
Mishami.
rejected this one.
I'm pretty sure it's
No, no,
Mishami
should we do
AJ.
it?
Captain, you'll forfeit your
Your
time.
call. We rejected it once already.
Okay,
We have one more
vote.
time
That's
left.
because you ran out of time.
No, we didn't.
It's suspicious
I
they're
prefer to go
choosing
with
me.
Mushami.
I'm definitely not it. There's nothing that indicates I'm it at all.
Yeah, exactly. That's the whole
Which
thing.
is why it's
The
Mishami.
Why this
humans ran out of
entire
button
time?
pushes.
Oh,
The game is now called
Because this
Push
entire
for
game-
Nothing.
oh,
and
bro, it was
Push.
Lucky.
Check
Dumbass
out.
dogs.
I had a feeling it was Loki. That's
Bro,
why
I had no
wanted
clue it
to-
was Loki.
I like put the thing in, went through, and I was like, oh. it's
Bro, he
probably
did
not.
the bioscanner correctly, bro.
It's almost like one of us.
I thought it might have been you, James.
I tried so hard to do the bioscanner correctly. It's actually.
Yeah, that's why. I was thinking, as in I didn't say it because I didn't want, you know, because I knew Loki always big brains these things, so I didn't want to.
Bro, this is actually like
Pretty
hard.
sus on Loki, but
Actually hard.
yeah,
It's
fucked
also
it.
because
Didn't
the
enjoy
entire
it.
time I realized Loki was gonna be quiet, so I just decided to be dumbass this entire time. I was just like, let's just be like.
Bro, I said it was Lucky at one point.
Yeah, AJ,
Yeah.
did you hack me once?
I hacked you as well, yeah.
You hacked me and I
Yeah.
bluffed, so I ended up fucking it up.
Yeah. If we
I
don't know what
blocked-
we're doing.
Yeah, that was
I-
the
I-
chainsaw one, right?
But no, it was a different one.
Oh. Bro.
I bluffed. I put something completely different to the prompt, but AJ hacked me, so I would have put the real thing down if I hadn't bluffed.
See, all that matters is you guys
Bro,
are dating. Not really.
I had
because
zero
Porter found out
clue.
who I was exactly.
Actually,
He was
zero
right this
clue.
entire time.
Except I
Should've
said it
believed him from
once.
the start, which you did because you put me in every single time.
I cooked it.
This game's a lot harder when you have like me and Porter and shit, and like Purdy, like all of us try to like game the system.
You try to remember stuff.
You're trying to gig a game, man. Once everyone's gaming it, like
It's
no
too
one's
complicated,
gaming
yeah.
it. Fucking-
And then
Is someone
Mashami
big braining it, or they're just trying, or
Yeah,
Show
you
me the
can't tell if
mega
it's a big brain or a
even.
double big brain.
But I know that Lockie is the biggest brain for these games.
Yeah.
He always fucks me every time.